back to my kitchen, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I am making eggplant stew today, and these are the ingredients I use in preparing them: my tomato pasta, fresh tomatoes, chili pepper, garlic, ginger, my spices, onions, eggplants, vegetable oil, shrimps, my fried fish, and the bell peppers. Please, you can feel free to use any type of meat or fish that you want. And right now I'm going to cut the eggplant into the size that I want and cook them. So this is the eggplant that I've cut them to the size that I want, and I'll add water. I'll add water to it. And then leave it to boil or to cook. I'll go ahead and cover it for it to cook very well. After 10 minutes of cooking, the eggplant is now ready, and I will separate the eggplant from the water and now set it aside. So we are about to make our stew. So that's my pan, and in it I'll add my vegetable oil. So it's now time for me to add the shrimps. The shrimp is ready now, so I'm taking them out of the oil. We are using the same oil that we use to fry our shrimps to make our stew. So at this moment, I'll add my blended onion, garlic and ginger. This is it, so I'll add it to the oil. You have to give it a stir. Okay, at this point, I will add in my fresh tomatoes. And stir it. I'll go ahead and add my tomato pasta and then stir. It's now time for me to add my chili pepper. But if you like a lot of pepper, you can add more as well. Cooking spice. You can use any spices that you want. I will now add my eggplant. Look at that. What a delicious stew. Wow. So I will now add my shrimps and my fish. I can't wait. Then stir. Wow. So I'll go ahead and add my bell peppers. Alright. it's not every time you can eat tomato stew, okay? You can also try the eggplant stew. It's very, very nice. I will then add salt to taste. Our eggplant stew is ready, guys. I can't wait to eat this with my potatoes. You can also try this at home to eat with anything that you want, like yam, your plantain, your potatoes, and anything of your choice. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. And I am very much grateful to you all. See you next time with another recipe. Thank you. Bye.